Twitter. Hi, today I'm show you my game. So I use a ton of code and I show you what the gameplay looks like first. Drag your mouse or your finger using mobile to bounce the ball. Don't let it fall the line or it will be game over. How do you build this code? First get a ball sprite, then put its code. This entire code. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one for the start message. Then this is the paddle sprite. It would move when it's clicked or this sprite is clicked. The line sprite is this. When it receives start or the click flag button, it will stop and will do game over. This is the game over sprite. It will set it to hide. Then the button 2, it will stop all of the sprites. The button 3, the start reset, it will broadcast a start, then launch it to the other sprites. The win is it will play a sound and will hide until you win. Then the button 4, and then when it receives start, and it will place a timer over here that they drag. They use the time, then set it to large without then drag a button. Even now it works. And now it works. It's you start. I can skip the code because you just read it. Because I show you the code to you carefully right now. Voice code. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Second paddle. First, second, third. Line. First, second. Game over. First, second, third. First, second, third. First, second. And then this stop game will stop the game. For example, you're starting the game, tap this to stop in case something might happen. Now it's done.